What's going on YouTube? How y'all feeling this morning? We back with another video. Another one. I'm feeling good, motivated, energized. Y'all already know how I land. How y'all feeling, man? We doing something. You gotta get the other quarter oil. My bad, y'all. Doing something a little bit different today. I'm about to show y'all, let y'all see me do this oil change on the zero turn. So I done turned into a mechanic overnight. While I'm doing that, he gonna go ahead and cut this yard. He gonna just use a push mower because it's a small yard. That's why I decided to do. I forgot to do this. It ain't nothing though. But yeah, though, man. Yesterday it was raining, so we ain't work. But I was in them books, man. I'm in them books heavy, man. I swear to God, I'm so focused, man. It don't make no sense. I'm so focused, man. So if I ain't put y'all on game, yeah, go read The Law of Attraction, The Power of One More, Lords of Easy Money, Richest Man of Babylon. That's just a couple right off the top of the head, like, you feel what I'm saying? Go check them books out, man. I swear to God. Promise you I won't steer you in the wrong direction. But this is what we doing oil change on. This guy right here. Before we get to the oil change, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe if you're new, hit the notification bell, that way you get notified anytime I'm dropping a video. But let's do it, man, because I don't want him to beat me. I'm trying to beat him, so we ain't gonna do the long speeches today. So let me go ahead and get set up. Oh, Ty, I need a thumbnail. I need a thumbnail for I need like 2 pictures real quick. I don't know what I'm about to do. Yep, y'all see me at work now. I'm just going. I'll get my mask or something. Oh shit. You can get rid of that when you get never mind, put that right there for now. Damn, so the actual oil filter is right here. I'll get my hand in there and see if I can get y'all get in there. Y'all see the little oil filter wrench on there. So we doing that real quick. We already changed the. Oh shit! Oh, never mind. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and wipe this off. Just to protect the stuff. See, that's all that city shit stuff. My bad, y'all. But it's actually good though, cause it's got a protector on it. So that's good. Still. That's the air filter. I got a new filter. What I like, guys, is it's real simple. Damn, man. Alright, the next step is, y'all, I'll put the oil in there, the new oil. Alright, we got the Kawasaki engine oil, 4-cycle. So I'm gonna use 2 of these and we'll be all to the good. Oh, SAE 30, I'm sorry, y'all. Put that clean oil in there. Y'all know what I'm doing today? I'm dropping 2 videos, matter of fact, back to back. I'm dropping 2 videos today. I'm dropping 2 videos. I'm gonna drop a video of this, and I'm gonna drop a video of a couple of yards. Watch. Yeah, content getting crazy. Alright, so now we got our oil in there. I'm gonna wipe my stick off. The other cap. Alright, gang. Thanks for watching. I appreciate y'all. Y'all already know what time it is, man. We trapping. And we motivated on this channel, baby. We only going to the top, man. The sky's the limit, man. I told y'all I treat every view like 1,000,000 views, man. So look, I did this for you. If you do yard work, if you do it for if you just do it for your crib, if you doing for your business, I just taught you how to do an oil change if you never do it, so you ain't gotta spend another $1 on an oil change ever again. Stay motivated, stay prayed up. Don't forget I still trap. Got another video coming today too. Let's do it.